It's a weak Q2 for Relaxo Footwear as the company has reported its worst margins in the last 10 years. Why such a fall given that there's been quite a lot of action in the stock prices in the last few months? Samit joins in with details. Samit?
Relaxo, both on a Q-on-Q and a YOY basis, has reported a weak set of numbers, especially on the YOY front. If you see, the revenues have dropped by nearly 7%. Now, there are a couple of reasons behind this revenue drop. Firstly, the volume decline, if you see, it was nearly 15% down on a YOY basis. So, it's a big double-digit decline in volumes that we have seen, but this was partially offset by the highest selling price that was nearly around 10% higher on a YOY basis. So, on a net basis, if we are seeing a 6% drop on the revenue front. On a Q-on-Q basis, the revenues were flat. Now, the gross profit margin number has come in at close to 48.9%, and this is the lowest gross profit margin that we are seeing in the last 10 years. Now, this is because of two reasons. Firstly, there was a lot of volatility in the raw material prices, which also led to a huge inventory loss. And at the end of the quarter, if you see, the company had taken a sharp price correction. Now, this price correction was taken again because, as I mentioned earlier, there was a volume decline that the company was continuously seeing in its mass segment, and that is the reason the company had to take a price cut to boost demand. And hence, there was a double whammy for Relaxo. Firstly, there was an inventory loss, and then there was a price cut, and then there was a lower subdued demand also, which impacted Relaxo in the second quarter of FY23. However, the management is now expecting price realizations to help clear the high value inventory first. So there could be some inventory losses in the third quarter of FY23 also. That is what the management is suggesting here by this statement. Now, given the fact that Relaxo has come out with a weak set of numbers, do watch out for other footwear companies, that is Bata, Liberty and Campus, that are yet to report their second quarter numbers of FY financial year 2023.